Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can remove the front door panel card for this BMW X1 from 2019. Okay, for this we're gonna need screwdriver, we're gonna need this plastic removing tool to remove the trims, and let's move on. We're gonna have to search where we have the screws. So first of the screws, it's right here, okay, in this corner. So this one is Torx 20. You're gonna have to remove these Torx first of all. Yeah, if you have an electric drill, you can use the electric drill to move faster. Okay, now let's check. Let's go around the panel. Let's check if we have any other trim. If we have any other screw. Okay, so we have another one here. Okay. Boom. Two screws in the. So we remove the screws now. Let's move forward. Now, as usual, we always gonna have some screws on these two sides. Okay. So now we're gonna have to remove this trim by going under the handle here and remove this plastic out. Okay. Now I'm gonna use this trim removing tool, and after I'm gonna move forward to this plastic removing tool. Okay, so let's go forward. Okay. Good. Let's see. Yeah, so you already see, yeah, I don't have to explain. Just follow my steps, the way how I insert the tools and how I do them, how I remove them, yeah, and you're gonna be fine. Good. Okay, after we remove the plastic cover, we're gonna have to remove the screws. Okay, so we have one screw here and one screw here with T20. So let's insert the tool inside and let's take out the screw. Good. Let's check if we have any other screw. No, we don't. So now when we have to remove the plastic cover, we will gonna have to insert the tool right here under the panel, yeah, just like that, and we're gonna have to twist it like that, yeah, twist. Sometimes you can just insert like the tool like that and pull like that, yeah, bam, yeah. Sometimes goes with this by twisting it, sometimes goes by doing just like I showed you, yeah. But all the time when you do this, like twisting and pulling like that, you have to be 100% sure the tool it's next to that plastic pop. Okay, let's see now. Good. And now let's see. Good. As you already saw, I just put the tool and grab it out, like I just pull it out. Okay, now let's take this wire out and I'm gonna explain you other concepts. Okay, as you already see it right there, if you pull this wire like that and bring it out, pull it out, it's going to come out, yeah. And when you're gonna put it back, you're gonna have to do it like this. You're gonna have just to put the wire like that and just insert and clip, and that's it. But make sure all the time the handle to be closed. Okay, take this one out, and now let's take the wires out. Let's have a look how many wires we have. maybe we have a big plug here, so no, it's much better to remove the plug from here. And one plug here and another plug right there. Okay, so you have to press that small clip inside, and after you have to bring this stuff like that. Good. Now let's take the wire out. Good. One, two, three, four. Yeah. And now let's remove this speaker. No, actually, let's remove this for the lock. This is for the lock. Okay, so as you can see, I removed the panel. The thing here, sometimes there are some cars which you have to push the panel up, yeah, to remove the panel. But in our case, you just have to pull the panel, and when you're gonna have to put it back, you just have to go first. You have to insert this mechanism here, yeah, in this hole, and after you just have to push it back, and that's it. Everything is going to clip and is going to close. Yeah, so this is the way how you remove the panel card. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, you can give me one like to help me with the YouTube algorithms. If you watch this video from Facebook, you can give me also one like, and you can help the page. If you want to help your friends, you can share the video with your friends. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.